Hi, Greg Wiener here. I'm the CEO and owner of Quick Screws QuickBOLT International Corp. And we're at my home today. QuickBOLT mounting systems are going to be used to put a 15.75 kilowatt system on my roof. We're really excited to do this. After many years of being in the industry, we're now going to support the industry ourselves. And I just want to say I'm really happy to be able to do this. Not only is it good for the environment, it's good for my business. QuickBOLT.
Rick Gentry, I'm the VP of Sales for QuickBOLT. We're using our 17510s, which is a fixed tile hook. We've sold a lot of those over the years. Customer is Power On Solar, longtime customer, done used many of our products, done many jobs with our products. So we're just cruising along, watching them install the job and taking some pictures. Got a drone out here, doing all kinds of cool stuff to just document what our products used for and how easy it is to install.
They're quick, easy, fast, simple, nothing to complain about. A lot better than the old ones, a little more adjustments. You need 3 tools to use them. These ones are just slap in, 2 screws, a little bit of cocking, you're good to go.
We got 46 panels to be installed on this job today. However, due to the maximum efficiency of this product, compared to 4 years ago, which was going to require 97 panels, we're very happy to get a much more efficient panel and be able to reduce the cost of our solar today.